Hey there, Rob Lawson, the Digital Assassin. I wanted to talk to you today about content creating opportunities. I talk to lots of people, many of our customers. We certainly have a process for helping them work through this. Most businesses, pretty much all businesses, have amazing content creating opportunities happen in their business every day. There's things that are going on. There's projects that they're implementing. There's things that they're attending, whether they be conferences or expos or product demonstrations or learning about new things, innovations that are happening. There's a whole range of stuff. There's even just seeing stuff on your own social media feeds that you either agree with, or even better, if you completely disagree with. People are interested in not having you sit on the fence. They're interested in you voicing your opinion, using your expertise and your experience to clarify things for people who have less experience and expertise in that particular endeavour. So have a notebook handy. Use your your voice note taking on your phone. When you think of stuff and you see stuff, or you see staff doing stuff, encourage them to do things. Record them on their phone. Take photos. You can put them into case studies later on, and it doesn't have to be the finished product. It can be partway through the building of the product, the making of the product, the installation of the product. People are interested in knowing what sort of details you go to, what lengths you go to make sure that the things are right. So keep your eye out, make a list. And then start recording this stuff, and then you've got plenty of stuff to share and build your reputation. Hope this helps.